Today I'll be talking about exponents, exponentiation, powers, essentially. That's all names for the same thing. So, just a heads up, I won't be doing any practice problems like I've been doing previously because for exponents, I don't really see the point in doing practice problems for them because there's no method to learn them. I would say you just have to kind of do them, and I'll show you that in a minute. So exponentiation or exponents are when you have a base for, let's say, b. Maybe I shouldn't talk about b's. I'm not in algebra yet. I'll just pick a number. We'll do 5, 2. This little number on top, whenever you have something like a number, this is called the base. This little number on top is called the exponent. And what this is telling you to do is multiply 5 two times by itself. So you would write it out not like that. What am I doing? Oh my goodness, I feel embarrassed. Sorry. This is what you're supposed to write. I don't know what I was doing over there. 5 times 5. Right, we got two of them. This will be 25. Let's say we had a 6 to the power of 2. You would also say it that way, or you can say 6 squared. Any number to the power of 2, when there's a 2 as an exponent, you could just call it 5 squared. Some numbers squared. This is 6 squared. If I had 7, it'd be 7 squared. So this would just, again, be 6 times 6, because we're doing it 2 times, right? It'd be 36. Now, you can call pretty much any number like this, you can call it a perfect square, because you could, you know, you have a square, so we call it perfect. And the reason we call it perfect has something to do with square roots. I'll talk about in probably another video. So yeah, let's say I had a 3. Any number can go up here, by the way. Pretty much every number, doesn't matter. But if you put like a fraction up here, you get some weird stuff that I'll talk about in another video. Not really weird, it's just pretty interesting actually. So this would be, again, 5 times 5 times 5, right? We're doing 5 3 times. It's multiplication. This would be 125. The way I would do it is, I multiply these two. This is 25, and then I multiply 25 by 5, and that'll give me 25. This is called 5 cubed, or 5 to the third power, or 5 to the third. 6 to the second, 5 to the second power. When you see a 3 up here, you would call it cubed. If I had a 10 here, it'd be 10 cubed. If I had a million, it'd be a million cubed. But if I had, I'm not going to do this one because it'd be a pretty big number. But if you had 5 to the fourth, you would just say 5 to the fourth, 5 to the fourth power. It doesn't matter. It's only for 3 and 2 that you would call this a squared and this a cubed. Any other number, you could just say to the power of whatever number. And that's really all exponents are. Yeah, I won't be doing any practice problems. I just want to tell you what it was, because I feel like there's not much benefit in working on practice problems with these for now, because, but yeah, because then the practice problems would just be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and I feel like there's no real benefit. I mean, there's a benefit in working these out, but I just don't know why I would show you how to do that. I feel like you would know how to do that already. And there's not much of a process or method to doing this. You kind of just multiply again and again and again. So, and I already made a multiplication video, so I don't really see a point in doing something like this, like having practice problems for it. But yeah, you could just work on some on your own. Again, it's just whatever number you have as the base, and whatever number you have is this. So 5 cubed would just be 5 times 5 times 5. If it had a 4, it'd be 5 times 5 times 5. If it had a 5, it'd be 5 times, right? That's all exponentiation is. These numbers get really big, really fast, and yeah, that's about it.